to take tips on the go. I learned this tip from the fabulous people at Seesaw, and I'm hoping it will be quite a good time saver for some of you. So let's get to it. This is to do with the Chrome extension. So if you use the Chrome browser, you can get an extension called Reflecting Seesaw. And what it does is that it allows you to take screenshots of other pages and it puts them straight into your activity. So for example, I can go to Timetables Rockstars, open my Seesaw extension in there, capture selected area. So I want to make a label for my activity, so the kids know that they're going to do an activity to do with Timetable Rockstars. So I do that and it puts it straight into my Seesaw activity. So I can place it. But not only that, it already comes in with the link. So you don't have to actually add the link to the site now because it's already there. If you click, it will take you to Timetables Rockstars. So that's all done for you. So it's very, very quick. Very good to save time. If you want to add this extension to your Chrome browser, just go to the web store there and find it there. It's called Reflect in Seesaw. You can search by just putting Seesaw in the search box in there. Seesaw extension, it will appear in there and it will ask you if you want to add it. I have it already, so it's just asking me to remove it. I'm not going to. And the other way is you can just put it on the Google search, a Seesaw extension, and it will just find it for you. Okay, so click Reflecting Seesaw extension and it will just put it there. So every time that you want to just take a screenshot, just click on there and it will put it straight onto your Seesaw activity with the link already on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you give this a go. See you next time.